Hello. Maybe you don't know, or maybe you know, but I will tell you that gypsy people, they have different dances according to the place where they live. So now we are talking about the gypsy dances of Russian gypsies. Because they have special manner, they have special movements, and it is their culture, the culture of Russian gypsies. The first thing that we need to understand to be able to improvise is this movement. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and. So what happens? One, you know, you need bounce, this kind of. So before you touch with your right leg the floor, you should make a small bounce. Bounce, touch, bounce, back. Bounce, touch, bounce, back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It would be cool if you will hear the sound when you do this movement. You know, we need sound. 1 and 1, 1. Okay, this is the basic movement. You can keep your hands like this, for example, and do 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Also, you can use your big gypsy skirt. So how to keep it? If you do like this, you feel the fabric, yes, and it will go forward. So you need to train also to take your skirt, you know. So, okay, we have fixed our hands. When we start with right leg, we need to make an accent on the left hand. So you see the left hand goes a little bit to the side of right shoulder. 1, back, 2, back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If I do it without skirt, look what's happening. So right leg and left hand goes this way. 1, back, 2, back. 1, back, 2, back. And we are in plié position. Another thing that we can use is we can do the same thing with different positions of hands. For example, here, we keep it and do 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So this is the basic. Now we will try to move forward and back. So right leg and the left comes to the right, to the level of the right leg. 1 and plié. Now left. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we want to go back, the same principle. 1 and 2 and level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, sorry. Okay, if you want to do it with skirt, for example, you can go this way, either this way. It depends totally on you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try to do it with music. Okay, now we will try something else. Well, I can call it stretching because I have no idea how to call it in English. I guess it doesn't really matter for you. So what we do, we get to this position and we work with right leg. right, left, right, left. So right goes forward and back, and left walks on its place. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. From this side, let's do it. Okay, I'm here and I will, use this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is our weight? Our weight is in the center. Don't do like this. Okay? Keep it in the center. 1, nothing happens. Don't do this, okay? Now, how to use our skirt in this movement? We start with right leg. It means that our left arm, our left hand will go to the right shoulder. So it's 1, and the right hand, we hide it. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Let's connect them. We do 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hand. Okay, left hand. You see, it doesn't go this way. It goes semicircle way. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be done even much faster. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and can be done in a slow way and faster. Anyway, we will try it with music.
Вольный ветер чистым